metal ceiling tile perforation line have two kinds of punching station solutions: 120, 150 SPM punching machine, and 160 to 140 SPM high-speed punching machine. We use 125-ton high-speed gantry press to punch the hole. 4 to 8 rows of holes can be punched each time. The perforation hole is depending on the customer design, and punch speed is 160 to 240 strokes per minute, adjustable. The gantry press uses pneumatic brake system to replace the old gear drive system. This will ensure the accurate perforation and higher speed production. The number of punched holes is 3 to 6 PCS, mean. We use 125-ton gantry press to punch the holes. This machine uses pneumatic brake system to replace the old gear drive system. This will ensure the accurate perforation and higher speed production. 4 to 8 rows of holes can be punched each time. The punching speed is 120 to 150 strokes per minute. The number of punched holes is 3 to 5 PCS, mean.